Holy dude, did we really just make it? Okay, so it's the second day of us being in BC, second day of riding. Today we're not gonna ride red. We figured it was good yesterday when it was good, but it was like horrible when you hit rocks and messed up your board. So we're gonna check out Whitewater, which is in Nelson, BC, which is about an hour away from here, so not too bad. So hoping that's gonna be a lot better because they've gotten a lot more snow this year. And yeah, so we're pretty hyped. So we're just getting our stuff together. We're gonna get hop in the van. We're gonna travel that direction. Alright, so we just arrived at Whitewater. It's already looking a heck of a lot better. It's looking pretty tracked out though, but it looks like we actually have snow here, which is kind of more important than whether or not it's tracked out. So hopefully today is a pretty good day. If it's good, we're going to be coming back here tomorrow and maybe even the day after. If it's not good, I do not know what the heck we're gonna do, dude.
Yeah, no kidding, right?
Either way, I'm pretty hyped. This is looking pretty good already, so hopefully today's a pretty sick day. Okay, I'm dropping. That's not too bad. Dude, this is so ridiculous. Like, look at this shit.
The chair is plastic. The backrest is metal.
This is scary. Like, this is the sketchiest. Look how close we are together, dude.
Look at how this thing's holding on.
It's like in the thing.
Oh, yeah. It's like intertwined in the cable.
Dude, this is the sketchiest thing ever.
Like all that's intertwined in the cable. That's a small piece. I think that's a pretty small piece of metal considering it's holding like 400 pounds right now.
Yeah, I would like. I have knives thicker than that thing, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is sketchy as hell. This is sketchy as hell, dude. Never again, all right? I like life too much.
I don't, but you know what? I respect you for that.
Yeah.
So,
yeah,
this will be our last one.
Yep, we're not doing this again. I mean, considering it's not, we can't complain that much.
Probably one of the best runs we've done today.
Yeah. I mean, the one I did with Andrew earlier where it was actually powder was the best, but the thing is it turned really bad really quick. So overall snow conditions for this mountain, that's really good.
Yeah, for what we've been getting.
Yeah, that's pretty good. All right, well, let's keep this party going. Fun. I love that turn. All right, so that pretty much wraps it up for Whitewater. It was pretty good. What do you think?
In one sentence?
Yeah, one sentence.
It's like Frozen 3, but Disney's not filming it this time.
Yeah, that's kind of true. Like, when we get to the lower mountain, we kind of get this, like, freezing snow stuff. It's not even really snow. I think it's because we're getting into the clouds. And it's, like, freezing on our goggles. You can't see anything.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
Halfway down the last run. Going
Yeah,
down
exactly,
like a
yeah.
200-meter cat track.
Yeah. Yeah, top section's good, bottom section's pretty bad. But for the most part, the snow's way better than red. I mean, we're not exactly getting massive powder, but, like, still, at least there isn't, like, rocks and stuff. So, no major complaints as far as that is. Anyway, so we're gonna have our drive home, and then we're gonna go out for dinner tonight. Should be super sick. Couple beers, maybe a poutine or two. Should be nice. Anyways,
And your gravy and your fries.
I love my gravy and my fries, dude. Anyways, time to head home. All right, so there has been a massive change of plans, sorta, not really. I mean, we don't have, like, anyways, I'm gonna explain the situation. Revelstoke is gonna get absolutely obliterated by snow tonight. They're getting like over 22 centimeters or something like that throughout the day, and then into the evening even more. So the plan at the moment right now is to, like, kind of pack everything up, ride red for a couple hours, and then get in the car and hopefully go to my buddy's place. Now I just gotta contact my buddy and see if it's actually okay if we crash at his place. But luckily Justin, he's super chill, love that guy, so I'm hoping he says yes. If he says yes, we're going to Revelstoke, which is kind of nuts because we're gonna have to get on a ferry and drive through the night, and it's gonna be wild. So yeah, it's turning out to be a pretty insane trip. Super hyped. All right, so quick update. We weren't able to crash to Justin's place because he's already got like 3 people there, but we were able to get a hotel there super quick, so that's gonna be sick. We're gonna be riding Revy today. Tomorrow, I pray to God we're gonna be able to get there. All right, so here's the game plan for today. We're gonna be riding red until about 1 o'clock-ish, in and around there. And then we're gonna be throwing everything in the van and trying to drive to Revelstoke. That is gonna be the scariest drive ever, assuming that drive's open. Hopefully it is. I'm really hoping it is, because Revy's supposed to get absolutely obliterated, and if we make it there, it's gonna be absolutely magical. But in the meantime, we're gonna ride here. Hopefully have some fun. We did get a little bit of snow overnight. It seems like a little bit more than 5 centimeters. It seems more like 10.
I would say so.
But yeah, we're gonna have fun until then. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. All right, so here's what's going on. We are leaving this glorious place and we're headed to Revelstoke. So we're just loading up the van right now, and hopefully I'll be out of here soon. It's supposed to be like a 5-hour drive. It's not even that far. It's just supposed to take forever. So we want to leave with as much sunlight as humanly possible, so we gotta get going. All right, so it's 5 after 2 and we are out of here and we're headed to Revelstoke. ETA is about 5 hours. Hopefully it's like way less than that, but we should get a good chunk of that done in daylight, which is really nice. Away, 1.3. Didn't my dad say it was like 20 minutes late?
Yeah.
Meaning, if that's still correct, we got 10 minutes to get there.
You know, I don't know if he actually knew that, or if he was just kind of throwing out random assumptions.
Yeah.
How sad he would be with us if he realized that we were taking his random guess that he pulled out of his ass. His boat is going to be 20 minutes late because of the sun. For gospel.
Yeah,
But-
for gospel. Yeah.
We are planning our lives around it.
Yup, or we're gonna be
so
waiting here a
disappointed.
while. Hopefully, it's still late and we make it. That'd be really, really chill. It's here. It's literally right here. Do we just drive onto this bitch? Like,
You
how
know
the
what?
fuck does this work?
Straight on. Don't wait for any
Proceed
tickets.
only on green.
Hey, you know what's really cool? It's all white! I think that means wait.
Oh,
There we
okay,
go. Oh, there we go.
Dude, I think we literally just made it. The dude just closed the fucking gate.
God damn. God damn.
God.
Damn, man.
Dude, did we really just make it? Like, I swear to God that guy was closing the gate.
Chill, yeah, right behind us. Close the
Holy
gate.
Dude, I cannot believe we just made that. Like, that's unreal. Like, that guy was closing the gate.
Yeah.
That guy was literally closing the gate. when we
Literally
just got here.
exactly 20 minutes later.
Oh
Well,
my
now your
God.
dad's gonna watch that video and he's gonna be like, "You idiots! You didn't take
Oh
my
my
word for
God.
gospel from the start."
Holy crap.
Don't you
Good
know
thing
I'm
I
always
pushed.
right?
I pushed that last little bit. It's a good thing I did because we would not have made it.
Delete that last video before your dad starts. Before your dad thinks that he's God now.
Yeah, exactly. God damn.
We were all in awe at the fact that we actually made the ferry. We did have to do some pretty aggressive driving though, and we were definitely going way over the speed limit and way faster than we should have been in those conditions. But we made it. Luckily, when we had arrived, although we had arrived late, the chick who was closing the gate noticed that we got there and decided to let us on board. Whoever you are a beautiful human being. Although the greatest hurdle was over, we still had another 50k to get to Revelstoke, and that was not going to be easy.
Okay, so we got like 50 more K to Revelstoke. Hopefully it's not too bad, but oh, I'm just looking at this shit. This shit is ugly. That guy's stuck. Just gonna wait a sec. So we got a little bit of speed going into it.
Speed and power, Jeremy Clarkson.
We're not making this.
Holy shit.
Making it, lean forward, Andrew, lean forward. I fucking
Oh my god, I feel sorry for that guy. Whatever, we made it, that's all that fucking matters. Holy shit. Woo! Alright. Alright guys, welcome to Revelstoke. How long did that take, like 5.5 hours?
4 hours.
4 hours? It's not bad. I feel like shit. We're all hungry. Gotta check into a hotel. Yeah.
Let them tell us they don't have any rooms.
Yup. Something
Even though
stupid's
we,
gonna
yeah,
happen. Even though we booked
it
it.
online. Meteor's gonna fall from the sky, lightning's gonna strike the right
Yeah.
spot, the moon's gonna align with the sun.
And I definitely want to die.
Delusional and exhausted, we finally arrived in Revelstoke, BC. Lucky for us, we actually had a room, so we checked in, got some food, and went to bed, because tomorrow is going to be one for the books.